Okay, so we're making progress. So far I've cleaned off this bar of the clothes, and I've got to do this side. I got all of my clothes from off of this bar and this bar. So there you have it, everything that's out of my closet, the one closet. And you can see all of the hangers that I have here. Hangers after hangers and hangers, more hangers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through every piece of clothing, and what I wear all the time is going back in the closet. Some of this stuff, I have family members that can wear these, so they'll get first dibs. Okay, so this is what I've been left with, and I'm still going to go through all of this again. If there's anything here that I don't wear throughout this year, I will be getting rid of it. And you can see where I've gotten this whole bar emptied out. If y'all are doing any decluttering, spring cleaning or anything like that, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're doing. And if you do a video on it, let me know also, because that way I can go over and watch it. And I'm going to go through so that this is not as cram-packed over here. So I'm going to pull all of this stuff out and put back what I'm going to keep. And that way that I'll only be using this bar and not that top bar. And that way I'll have my side like this, and then he'll have his side. Do y'all have as many clothes I've got? This is just really too much. My dogs are barking. And here is the mountain of clothing that I have. I have everything out of the closet. I'm going to start going through this stuff and get it back into the closet. And hopefully it'll be less stuff and not all of it back in there. So that is the stuff that's going to be coming out of here. This is what I was left with, and you can see that it's not crammed packed. And hopefully I can stick with this and keep it this way and not clutter up my closet anymore. And I don't buy a whole lot of clothes anyway, so I'm pretty sure it probably will stay this way. So we will see. And I hope this encourages y'all to do your closet this way too, and to get rid of things. And hopefully I will move on to something else to declutter in the house. I've got that sewing room I've got to finish up, and so this is the one closet that is done, y'all. And I hope y'all have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and bye, y'all.